When I was a child, I heard so much about Earth, but I never believed them when I was growing up. I decided to come Earth and I see it. When I arrived at Earth, so many things attracted me such as the first thing that attracted me was Earth's weather. It's totally different with our. There are four seasons here: spring, summer, autumn, winter. When I arrived, it was spring, and it was very attractive, and it made effect on me.
They read books, and to get in books, they go to two places. First, library is you get a book. At library, you must return it after you read it.
But if you get a book at a bookshop, you will pay it and will not return it. One thing is left, that is life of earth is hard, and it need a sea mate and concordant with it. Oh yes, something does attractive me. This is something that they call it money, and have many types. It is much important thing in their daily life. If they do not have, they can do nothing.
Population of Earth have money sometimes in their work. They get a lot of money so they cannot numerate. It serves the cultural staff no numerate it. It works quietly and never make a mistake in this work.
Oh my god, the clothes are totally different. With ours, they have special clothes to special season and special occasion. There is various clothes in shape, size, and color based on age.
It is an object that humans use it to put their stuffs in it, and it has a different shapes and size. The small one like this, you can put money or cards or anything you want. Another one like this, to put their stuffs, and it's made of leather or corduroy or wool.